Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you have all been waiting for, the Sing-Off Draw 2017. We'll first commence with the draw for the halls in heat number 1.
First in heat 1, Faraday Hall.
Next out the pot for heat number 1. Royce Hall.
Third, Telford Hall.
Harry French.
And finally, Butler Court.
To round up heat number 1, we have Telford Hall, Butler Court, Royce, Harry French and Faraday. It'll be interesting to see if Harry French can retain their title from last year, especially when they're up against Faraday Hall and Telford in the first heat, who were notoriously strong when it comes to the sing-off. We will now start the draw for heat number 2.
First up in heat 2 is The Hole.
And next out the pot, David Collett.
Third to be drawn, Towers.
Fourth out the pot, Rutherford.
And finally in heat 2, William Morris.
To conclude the draw for heat number 2, we have The Holt, Towers, William Morris, Rutherford and David Collett. It's a very interesting draw this year, with none of these halls last year making the final. Which ones will make it through this year? And now for the draw for the final heat of the Sing-Off 2017.
First in the final heat, Elvin Richards.
And next out the pot, Kaylee Hall.
Next up, Hazelrig Rutland.
Fourth to be drawn, Robert Bakewell.
And finally, Faulkner Eggington.
And to round off the final heat of the Sing-Off 2017, we have Hazelrig Rutland, Elvin Richards, Faulkner Eggington, Kaylee and Robert Bakewell. With 3 of the halls in this final heat making the final last year, it's bound to be an extremely strong final heat. Good luck to all halls competing in this year's Sing-Off. It's bound to be another interesting year, and may the odds forever be in your favour.
No.